Okay, I read it. This is
That's
this
a B.
Is 4.
That's a C.
This is C.
That's A.
Oh, this is C.
Okay, read it to me. A told B.
4.
C.
Yeah. This is C.
That's a B.
That's B. This is C.
That's right.
This is a B.
That's A.
That's A, yeah.
A told B.
A, B, C, D.
Olivia,
I don't know next word.
read it to me. Don't you love that book? Olivia, read it to me. Do you want a sucker?
Yeah.
If you read it to me, I'll give you a sucker.
Leon.
Fine, no sucker for you.
It's 2.
Hey, don't rip apart the book.
Yeah.
Read it to me right now. Okay, no sucker for you. I guess I'll just read it to myself.
Mama.
Then read it to me.
Mine.
Read it. You want to go to the park? Better read it to me. Are you kidding? Bribes aren't working? Give me this. Give me this. Read it to me right now. Do you have pumpkins?
I want pumpkin back.
You want your pumpkin back? Then you got to read me the book. Please.
Okay, I read the book. I just kidding, Mama.
Oh, you were just kidding.
I read Jickaboom.
Okay.
Ito si Michuta Bengo Nachi. What city? EFG. Wait, I need to write like this.
Oh, was it upside down?
Yep.
Okay, keep going.
A, B.
No, do A told B.
Oh no. A, B, C's.
No, you have to start at the beginning.
No.
A told B.
Look at Mama. Facts.
Guess no sucker for you.
What? Let's read ABC.
Okay, read it.
Look at me, Mama.
A told B.
Look at ABCs. Look at them. Most of his writing ABCs. They're crying.
Oh, the ABCs are crying because they fell out of the tree.
Yeah. They're gonna fall off in bed.
They fell off the bed.
Yep. They fall off that tree.
Oh, yeah. What kind of tree is that?
It's a green one.
It's a green one.
The ABCs falling.
The ABCs are fallen. What letters are those? Is that L, M, N, O, P?
They're falling to ABCs. They're falling. They're crying.
They're crying.
Oh, they have an allergy.
They have allergies?
Yeah. He's doing ouchie. He's going up. He's not getting ouchie anymore. ABC got ouchie too.
Well, you better read it to me so we find out what happens.
Yeah. I can kiss it no better.
Okay, kiss it
But
better.
Abby,
Oh, that's very nice.
Abby's better. No, he's getting it up. You're falling too. He's falling too.
Well, read it to me.
That's falling too.
Yeah, they're making them all better.
That's falling.
Here, you got to start at the first page.
No.
Olivia, read it to me.
He's falling.